Hey, how's it going, guys? Brent again, Deep Creek Metalworks. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick walk around of the 2026 Baja 120. Alright, so to get started, I'm just going to start from the left side of the smoker and work my way across to the right side of the smoker, and we'll go over all the new features. So one of the biggest upgrades that we've made is we no longer have a flat end cap on the cook chamber. We now have dome tank heads. And we've added a lot of new details. We're no longer using just regular square tubing. We went ahead and drew and fabricated a fully custom pull bar. All right, next thing we did is we did a complete redesign of the axles. Now the center line of the smoker is 36 inches. So we went ahead and we lowered the entire smoker. That way it doesn't sit too high and it's more comfortable for a bunch of different folks of different heights to work on. Obviously this one has two doors, but we also offer them with a single door. And this one has upper racks which slide out, and all the bottom racks are removable for cleaning. These are expanded metal, but we also offer fully laser cut grates as well. It is a 61-inch cook chamber. It's 1/4 inch thick, and it comes standard with 4 tell-true thermometers. All right, so next on the list, we fully redesigned our front folding shelf. Before, I was using pre-manufactured store-bought hinges and folding brackets that were bolted on, but now I went ahead and I designed a fully custom laser cut bracket, which allows you to fold the shelf down and get it out of your way, or you can completely remove the shelf. Before, the shelf was permanent unless you got tools to take it off. Now you can easily take it off and put it back on. There you go, it's as simple as that. All right, next, just like our old models, we got a folding stack, which also is standard. All right, working our way down to the firebox. This is one of the biggest changes I made. We have a 24-inch firebox as opposed to the 20-inch firebox that I used to offer. So now this is a 24-inch diameter by 28-inch long by 1/4 inch thick. I also offer it in 3/8 thick as well. This is a flat top model, so as you can tell, I redesigned the flat top as well, which in my opinion is a much more custom and cleaner look. All right, working our way around to the end of the firebox. It's still the same basic design as my original design, but I just gave it a fresh redraw for a more custom look. All right, so also new for 2026, all of my smokers now come with more firebox options than before. You can get a non-insulated flat top like shown here, a fully insulated firebox which now comes with a fully insulated door, and now I offer a semi-insulated firebox where the bottom of the firebox has a 2-inch air gap that has also got ceramic fiber blanket inside of it. And now also for 2026, I am offering a cowboy firebox, which allows you to open the top of the firebox and grill directly over your fire. I'm working on one of those right now, so there'll be a video on the cowboy version coming real soon. All right, so also new for 2026, the Baja 100 and 120 also has a fully redesigned exchange or throat. And all smokers come standard with a removable baffle system. It's easy to remove, it doesn't require any tools. You can cook with or without it. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this one. If you're interested, you can go to the website, www.deepcreekmetalworks.com. There you can find all the info you need, like pricing, dimensions, and availability and lead times. Or you can email me at deepcreeksmokers@gmail.com or look for us on Instagram and YouTube. Hope everybody has a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. It is insulated, but the rest is not. Oh shit. All right, let's do that again. I knew I was forgetting something. All right, guys, so that just about wraps it up. This is the... All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. If you're interested, I'm taking deposits. This is the part that I've done a million times and I still fucking, it takes so long. All right, guys, so that just about wraps it up. No. Yeah, what the fuck? That's stupid. All right, ready? Stop this. All right, guys, so that just about wraps it up for this one. I don't know why I looked away at that stupid bug. All right, guys, so that wraps it up for this one. If you're interested or you want to make a deposit. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up for this one. If you got, what did I just say? I liked it, and then the stupid camera shut the fuck off. We redesigned our pivot. You can see the, fuck, no, you can't see that because maybe you've never seen this before. I just gave it a much more custom,